Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to import products into WooCommerce at 2026. So actually the best method and the recommended one is importing products using WooCommerce built-in importer. Okay, so the first step is opening the products import tool, and to do that you will need to go with left hand menu over into or on the products option, and then just go and click on products. After that you will be forwarded into the products page. So I do really want you to go and click on import option just right here between add new products and export options. So just go and click on that one. So you all need to read that this tool allows you to import or merge products data to your store from a CSV or TXT file. Okay, and after that you all need just go and click on choose file. Okay, so all you need to do is to look or to select a CSV or TXT product file and check options if needed. So like update existing products, use SKU to match products, and then just click open, and after that just go and check mark this option and click on continue. Okay, so right here you can go with the map to field, and you can also fill the blank with your that depends on your choice here and here and here, and after you finished you will need just go and click on run the importer. And as you can see right here on the industry units variable code, WooCommerce auto match fields like that's like product name, price, SKU, description, categories, images, and stock. And you can, as I told you, adjust the mapping if needed and leave unused columns as do not import, and then just click run the importer. Okay, and right here as you can see your products are now being imported, so you all need just to wait a few minutes. So the last step is it means the import has been completed. So you, as I told you, will need to wait for confirmation. Then just click on view products and check products and all products. So here, and go back to all products page, and you will be able to check the product just right there. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.